In this lesson, we will learn how algorithms are represented using pseudocode. We will study the meaning of pseudocode, commonly used keywords, and examples using sequence, selection, and repetition. After solving a problem logically, the steps must be written clearly. Pseudocode helps show the logic and flow of control before coding. Pseudocode is a non-formal way to represent an algorithm. It is meant for human reading and cannot be directly executed by a computer. A flowchart shows logic visually. Pseudocode shows logic using readable text. Program code follows strict syntax rules. Common pseudocode keywords are input, compute, print, increment, decrement, if, else, while, true, and false. Read pseudocode from top to bottom. Input accepts data, compute performs processing, and print displays the result. For the sum of two numbers, input num1 and num2, compute result as num1 plus num2 and print result. Tracing means following pseudocode using sample values. If num1 is 6 and num2 is 4, the result printed is 10. For a rectangle, input length and breadth. Compute area using length times breadth. Compute perimeter using 2 times length plus breadth. Pseudocode helps plan before coding. It prevents missing steps and helps even non-programmers understand the intended solution. Flow of control means the order of execution. Pseudocode can show sequence, selection, and repetition. Sequence means steps run one after another. For example, input a number, compute its square, then print the square. Selection uses if and else. The condition is checked. If true, one path runs. If false, the other path runs. For even or odd, input a number. If number mod 2 equals 0, print even. Otherwise, print odd. Multiple conditions use else if. For age, print child if age is below 13, teenager if below 20, otherwise adult. Repetition uses while. A loop repeats steps while a condition is true. A counter can track the number of repetitions. Recap. Pseudocode is readable algorithm text. It uses keywords, shows control flow, and helps prepare logic before writing program code. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.